Good evening, welcome to anyindia.com news. In a latest update, jute mill workers and pensioners demanded settlement of dues for 1,647 workers per the Fourth Pay Board and court orders. They also sought the grant of deputation during their Mahakaran campaign. Let's take a look at the report.
Jute mill workers and pensioners organized a Mahakaran Abhiyan, marching to the State Finance Secretary's office to demand the settlement of fair dues for 1,647 workers employed as of 1 January 1996. They are seeking the implementation of the Fourth Pay Board's recommendations, as directed by both the High Court and Supreme Court. The protesters also demanded the grant of deputation for eligible workers. The workers argued that the delay in settling these dues has caused significant financial distress, and they urged the government to fulfill its obligations promptly.
পাঁচজন প্রতিনিধির দিকে আসুন, আমরা এখান থেকে মহানগরে আমরা যাব। এই জায়গাতে আসবেন, মাইকের সামনে আসবেন, দিয়ে এখানে চালাবেন আপনারা। আমাদের মধ্যে প্রত্যেকে বিজ্ঞ, তাহলে করো শ্বাসের দিক থেকে একটু অল্প সময় নিয়ে।
Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for updates. And don't forget to subscribe our channel by hitting the bottom right logo.